top on the car to make sure with the wider wheel tub, it was not any confusion with the top hitting anything and the location parts of these, because once you do the wider tub, it's a part of the convertible top bracket that mounts here, but we had to make sure these pieces in the right way. Then we had a little corrosion at the top part of this one on that side, so we replaced this whole piece. That's what we're doing. So we had to put the convertible top in and make sure all of this stuff lined up on that side when we changed it. You know what I mean? Triple check and double check Mr. Lofton. You know, we want his car to be, he always been 100% right with us. We want to try to be 100% right with him. You know what I'm saying? So I almost feel like I owe him that respect. You know what I'm saying? It's like we quality check everything on this car. Even though we put the support cage in here where you don't have the body flex, to get the fenders and everything lined up gap-wise the right way, you gotta mount the body to the car. You put the fenders on the radiator support, then you can find all your lines that you want. You remember here we did the relief cut and brought it back a little bit for clearance of the wheels. Now we body work everything, you know, getting everything right, and we're just gonna work our way up. Everything comes to the metal. Everything goes down to the metal. You know, once we find our gap lines, we get all our body lines lined up, then, you know, we shape this one back too to make the arc come back. Now it's time to, you know, body work up. And that's pretty much it. You know, we're definitely gonna reblock it again, prime it over. I like that black high build primer. You can get it in different colors with that brand. And the black has a sheen to it where if you see any imperfections, it's almost like another way you can measure it again, double check to make sure it's nice, you know what I'm saying? So it'll be blocked and the whole car being that black primer when we're done. And then we'll probably take it outside, look at it in the sun, just double check, triple check, and then we'll bring it in. Now it's time to wet. So keep in mind everything. The frame has been body work, ready for paint, radiator support. Once we mount the AC, we're gonna body work the firewall, you know, and then, you know, everything, the rest of the body. So interior, floor pan, interior trunk pan, as well as the underbelly of the car. Everything has been body work. So it took a long time, there's a lot of work, there's a lot of custom stuff, there's a lot of rush repairs. It took a little longer than even we wanted to, but I guarantee you to be right when it's done. So get with us. VTSV Auto, man, let's go. They did a little patch, but it wasn't done right. We're gonna clean it. We were just gonna cut it out just to redo it the right way. They're showing you this. What you said, Mr. Tom, this hole right here? Yeah, hole. Look.